Hi, let's find the value of x in this equation. We are given 25 raised to power x is equals to 80. X is dash. Solution, given 25 raised to power x is equals to 80. 25 in base 5 is the same as 5 raised to power 2. Okay, so we can now have 5 raised to power 2 or raised to power x is equals to 80. Also, a raised to power m or raised to power n is a raised to power m n. So here now we are going to have 5 raised to power 2 times x will give us 2x is equals to 80. So we are going to take the log of both sides, take the logarithm. So I'll have log 5 raised to power 2x is equals to log 80. So that's 2x log 5 is equals to log 80 from log m base p, log m raised to power p equals p log m. I apply this rule over here. Okay. Now divide through by log 5. So I can have 2x log 5 divided by log 5 is equals to log 80 divided by log 5. Alright. So this log 5 can cancel. We have 2x equals log 80 divided by log 5. So we have 2x equals log 80 divided by log 5. But 80 is same as 16 times 5. So we now have 2x is equals to log bracket 16 multiplied by 5 or divided by log 5. But log x multiplied by y is same as log x plus log y. Let's apply it in the numerator. We have 2x is equals to log 16 plus log 5 or divided by log 5. This is same as using this log 5 to divide each of the numerator. I will have log 16 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. Remember, everything is equals to 2x. Now here, this can cancel. I will now have 2x is equals to log 16 divided by log 5 plus 1. Okay. Let's further divide through by 2 and then apply change of base. We are going to apply change of base here. It will now be log 16 base 5. Then we'll divide all through by 2. So we can have 2x divided by 2 is equals to log 16 base 5 when you apply change of base plus 1 all divided by 2. The final answer for x. So this x can now cancel. We have therefore x is equals to log 16 base 2 plus 1 all divided by 2 is the value of x. Now let's try and check if this is true. So let's check. Let's check. We're given 25 raised to power x is equals to 80. And we expressed it as 5 raised to power 2x equals to 80. But we found x as, what is the value of x? We found x as log 16 base 5 plus 1 all divided by 2. Let's now try and substitute. Substituting, you have 5 raised to power 2 all brackets. Let's put the value of x, log 16 base 5 plus 1 all divided by 2. Will it give us 80? Good. Recall that x raised to power m multiplied by x raised to power m is same as x raised to power m plus m. Let's use this rule to simplify this part. Okay? Already, these two can cancel. You now have 5 raised to power log 16 base 5 plus 1. Will it give you this 80? Now let's apply this rule. We have, applying the rule, I will have 5 raised to power log 16 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power this one. Will it give you 80? Since they have the same base here, we are going to have 16. So we have 16 multiplied by 5. 5 raised to power 1 is 5. Is it equal to 80? Yes. Okay. So 16 times 5 is 80. This is equal to what? 80. Therefore, the value of x is equal to log 16 base 5 plus 1 all divided by 2. All divided by 2. Alright. So this is how you can solve this problem. Okay. Remember what I have done. We were given 25 raised to power x is equals to 8. To find x, we express 25 as 5 raised to power 2, which is 25 all raised to power x. Then when you apply this rule, see 5 raised to power 2x equals to 8. Take the logarithm of both sides and apply this rule so that you have 2x log 5 is equals to log 80. Divide through by log 5. This log 5 will cancel this log 5. You have 2x equals log 80 divided by log 5. Then to find x, you have to proceed by expressing 80 with reference to 5. That is 16 times 5. Okay? So 2x is now log 16 multiplied by 5 divided by log 5. But this product rule in logarithm will now give us log x plus log y. That is log 16 plus log 5. Divide everything by log 5. You now have 2x is equals to log 16 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. This can cancel to give you 1. Then apply change of base here. After that, you divide through by 2 and have x as log 16 divided by log 16. You have x as, after that you have x as log 16 base 2 plus 1. Please, this is base 5. Log 16 base 5, log 16 base 5 plus 1 all divided by 2. Alright, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Check our other previous examples. Check our other previous examples. 2 raised to power y plus 8 raised to power y plus 4 raised to power y plus 39. See how it was being solved. Okay? Check my playlist so that you can see it. Thank you.